Day 2. We left summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir and started a journey towards Kargil. Kargil is 202 kilometers from Srinagar and we are going by minibus. We stopped at a small cafe beside a cold stream. We had garam chai to adapt with decreasing temperature as altitude increased. Chai and bourbon got us energy that we spent playing in the cold stream. Now we are on the way of Sonmarg. Looking at the pine trees where I felt nostalgic about my fantasy from Snowy Dream. Click on the top right corner to feel it. It was lunchtime, so we had refreshments. The Himalayas in the background were calling for us. I swear, my heart heard a voice calling itself from Himalayas. We had fun and left for Kargil. Bikers would love to ride on this twisty road, filled with scenic beauty of the great Himalayan ranges. In winters, vehicles are not allowed to pass from here due to heavy snowfall. Now we are at Zojila, which is at 11,649 feet. Zojila means mountain passes of blizzards. The Beacon Force Unit and Vijayak Force Unit of the BRO are responsible for clearing and maintenance of the road during winters. Kargil War Memorial, also known as Dras War Memorial, was built by the Indian Army in the town of Dras. A tribute to 1999 Kargil War between India and Pakistan across Tiger Hill. When we reached there, my heart was filled with mixed emotions. First, I was proud to be here, to be able to reach this place in my life. Second, I felt so bad, like any Indian could feel the same way watching lawns filled with graves. We will always be in death for the great sacrifice of our brave warriors to safeguard our tomorrow. The reason behind a flying Indian flag is not the wind behind it, but it is the breath of each and every soldier which keeps it flying high. We reached a hotel in Kargil, had dinner, and went to bed with memories of today. Thank you, Amber Tours and Life Travels, for the wonderful experience. For more such tours, do contact them. Like, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for day 3.